I'm continuing my video lecture series based upon computer networks, and my topic is on virtual LANs. Virtual LANs means it's a logical overlay network that groups together to a subset of devices that shares a physical LANs, isolating a traffic for each groups. We are having an LAN is a group of computers or devices in the same place. Example, the same buildings or campus that share the same physical network. How virtual LAN works. Virtual LAN is a networking for identifying by a number. We are having an IP address for an overall campus. We are using an Wi-Fi in our institutions like this. Likewise, the virtual LAN will be passing towards the college. Virtual LANs is a networking or identifying by a number. A valid range of 1,001 to 4,094 meters of connection will be happening. Virtual LANs which is you assign ports with portable LAN numbers. Switch that allows data that needs to be sent various ports having the same virtual LANs. Since almost all networks are larger than the single switch, there should be a way to sending traffic between two switches. One simple and easy way to do this is an assign a port to on each network switch with virtual LAN and run a cable between them. We are having a range and description, and an example of virtual LAN is here 48 bits per switches and 6 virtual LANs and 6 hosts will be happened here. This is an example for transferring data from one station to another station, and then virtual LAN ranges is 0 to 4,095 is the reserved virtual LANs cannot be sent or used. Virtual LAN 1 is switches. By default, all switches ports are in the virtual LAN can delete and edit but cannot be used. This is normal virtual range. It can create, edit and delete these virtual LANs. Then Cisco defaults for tokens and token rings and cannot be deleted. This is an extended range for the virtual LANs. The types of connection is an trunk link, access link, hybrid link. The trunk link means all connected devices to the trunk must be virtual LAN aware. All frames on this should be having a special header attached to the tagged frame. Access link means it connects virtual LANs unaware devices to device virtual LAN aware bridge. All frames access the link and must be untagged. Hybrid link means it is a combination of truck linked and access link. Here both virtual LAN unaware and virtual LAN aware devices are attached, and it cannot be both tagged and untagged frames. This is the three difference. Truck link means it is an virtual LAN should be having a tagged frames. Each data will be a special header for the special header. It is called as an tagged frames. And then access link means it is an unaware devices, like all the frames must not be tagged, untagged. Hybrid means it is a combination of truck and access link. By using the devices will be tagged or untagged devices will be used, or the frames will be used. Advantage and the performance. Network traffic is full of broadcast and multicast. Virtual LAN reduce the need to send such traffic to unnecessary destinations. If example, if a traffic is intended for 2 users but 10 devices are present in the same broadcast domain, therefore they all receive the traffic. Wastage of bandwidth, and then broadcast and multicast packets will be go intended user only. Formation of virtual groups. Different departments in every organizations, namely sales, finance, etc., in order to group the devices logically according to their departments. Security. In same network, sensitive data can be broadcast with the access by the outsider by creating virtual LANs. Can control broadcast domains such as firewalls, restrict access. Virtual LANs can be used to inform the network manager for an intrusions. Hence, virtual LANs greatly enhance network security. Then flexibility means it is an add or remove number of hosts we want. Virtual LAN can use number of small size broadcast domains can increase where they are easy to handle the bigger broadcast domains. This is a point for difference and virtual LAN scope, network member control, OSI layer, security and flexibility, and the terminology is used. These are the topic will be discussed here. And then configuration at the server router side, it is a network member control. OSI layer is a second layer. MAC address will be work here. Security is known as provided by more security and better control for the secure networks. Extremely flexible and enhanced performance and easily. More software related terminologies is used in the virtual LANs. Thank you.